Now, there has been a general misconception that if you're looking to brighten your skin, you need to stay away from the CeraVe brand and their range of products. And my darlings, I'm here to tell you that that is exactly not true. If you know the right product from the CeraVe brand to actually pick from, to use, to include into your skincare routine, you are going to get a super bright skin. So in this video, as you can already tell from the title and the thumbnail already, I am going to be sharing with you how you can use the CeraVe range of products to brighten your skin. I'm going to be starting this video by sharing with you why CeraVe actually brightens skin and how it does that, which of the CeraVe facial cleansers you should be using, with you how you can actually use this CeraVe product properly to achieve that skin brightening that has brought you into this video. I'm also going to be letting you know what you can pair with your CeraVe facial cleanser from the range of CeraVe products, okay, that will help you achieve a flawless and a bright skin. And of course, I'm going to be ending this video with sharing with you mistakes that you need to avoid if you want to achieve the best results from using your CeraVe facial cleanser, serum, lotion, or what other skincare product that you have gotten from the CeraVe brand. And now, without much further ado, my loves, let's head straight into that video. So hi besties, welcome to another video. It is your girl Shuga and I'm so excited to be in your faces. If this is not your first time, please consider hitting the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Turn on the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever a new video comes up on this channel. Please like this video, share out this video, click on that thanks and join button to be a part of this awesome family. Now we're going to be starting with the very basics like I promised to start with, okay? Why am I saying that CeraVe is brightening? How is it that CeraVe can brighten the skin? A lot of people who have also used it have said it made them darker. So they didn't really see any result. Like it just looks like they were using a mere cleanser or face wash, a mere serum on their face. There wasn't much result. So they came to the conclusion that CeraVe does not brighten the skin. Well, CeraVe actually brightens the skin. Some of their range of products, okay, so now there are some CeraVe products, okay, some of their cleansers and even serums that contain exfoliating and brightening ingredients that actually help to brighten your skin and to even out your skin tone. Now, if you have been battling with dark spots, hyperpigmentations and uneven skin tone on your face, you want to pay attention to actually getting these particular cleansers, the CeraVe SA Soothing Cleanser and the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser. Now, these two cleansers contain salicylic acid that helps to exfoliate your skin, revealing a brighter and a smoother skin. Now, here's something most people miss out on whenever they use their CeraVe facial cleansers, especially, okay, they always just massage it into their face and wash it off or rinse it off immediately. But my darlings, that is not how to use it, okay? So here is how you use your CeraVe facial cleansers, any of these ones I have mentioned and any other range of their cleansers, if you are actually looking to reap the benefits or results of using those cleansers. You need to first of all wet your face with lukewarm water. This is going to help to calm your pores and open up your pores in some cases. Get like 1 or 2 pumps of your CeraVe cleanser on your palm. Most of the times their cleansers come in gel-like formula. Lather it into your hands and then massage it on your face for at least 15 to 30 seconds before you actually go and rinse it off, okay? Now, even when I started using the CeraVe facial cleanser, I also used to have that, that thing where I would just apply the cleanser and take it off my face. And I was wondering after the first 2 weeks when I was supposed to be noticing, very tangible results or signs that I was actually using this salicylic acid cleanser from CeraVe, but I wasn't getting any results. So I said, you know what, let me just hold on, okay? So once I massage it into my face, I leave it on for like 10 to 15 or 20 seconds before I rinse off, and I began to see the results, okay? The CeraVe cleanser began to work for me. It is so amazing, especially if you have an oily skin and acne prone skin. It helps to manage your acne breakout like crazy. It helps your skin to manage the excess production of oil like crazy. But honestly, that is not why we're here, right? That I have a review of that on the channel. You're going to find a link to that in the description area or in a card here or here that you can check out when you're done watching this video. But let us talk about what you can actually pair with your CeraVe cleanser, whether your Soothing SA cleanser or the Renewing SA cleanser, in order to achieve a very bright skin. and that would of course be the CeraVe Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum. Now this one contains 10% pure vitamin C, so it means that it is going to help to visibly brighten your skin, it is going to smoothen your skin texture, it is going to repair your skin barrier. Peradventure you're already experiencing skin damage, okay, even if you're not aware that you're experiencing skin damage, and support your skin's natural barrier while giving you an even toned skin all over your face and your neck, of course. Now I'm not going to lie to you, some people have said that they experienced some side effects while using the CeraVe Renewing Vitamin C Serum, okay. Now people experience things like itchiness, redness, skin irritation, tingling sensations when applying this product, and so this is what I am going to say. If you are starting out, maybe you do not want to use this particular vitamin C serum, okay, go for any other product, any other good brand that has a lesser percentage of vitamin C, because I mean 10% vitamin C on your face is actually a lot, especially if you're treating something on your face and if you have acne breakout, okay, on your skin, there is every possibility that it is going to sting your skin. Remember, I always say on this channel that first of all, if you have breakout on your skin, whether you have a dry skin, an oily skin, a sensitive skin, a normal skin, once you begin to experience breakout on your face, you need to stop using your vitamin C serums or any other product you're using on your face that contains vitamin C until that breakout dries up, and then you can go ahead with your vitamin C's. Now quickly, okay, you guys, my loves, what are some of the mistakes that people have been making when it comes to using the CeraVe product, especially their cleanser? Now I know I already mentioned that you need to leave the salicylic acid face cleanser on your face for 15 to 30 seconds, but honestly, no matter how severe your skin condition or issue is, or skin concern is, please do not leave it on for longer than 30 seconds because it contains salicylic acid, which is an active, so it means that keeping it on your skin for too long is going to irritate your skin, is going to dry out your skin, and that is going to be causing more trouble or more harm to something or a situation that we're trying to resolve, right? Another very wonderful mistake that I have seen a lot of people make, and they complain and say that the CeraVe, products are not working for them, is using CeraVe branded body lotions, okay, or body products on your face. Now, CeraVe is a brand. When they are creating a product for your face, they make use of ingredients that target specific conditions on your face, that are gentle on your face, because your face is one of the thinnest skin layers on your body. So it means that the ingredients used to produce the lotions you use on your body or the products you apply on other parts of your body is different from the ones that are used on your face. The percentages are different, okay? So honestly, you cannot now go about using your body lotion, okay, any CeraVe body lotion on your face. You're going to be doing more harm to your skin than good. And now, of course, no matter how good you feel when you use your salicylic gel cleanser, okay, from the CeraVe brand, and you use the serum, you still need to moisturize. You still need to lock in moisture into your skin. Moisturize and use a sunscreen. Moisturize and use a sunscreen. These are some of the mistakes that a lot of people make whenever they use the CeraVe facial cleanser and their other range of skincare products, especially for the face. Did you find this video helpful, my loves? Let me know in the comment section below if you did find it helpful. Do you have other questions? Also drop them in the comment section. Are there other skincare products that you would like us to talk about on this channel? Please drop them in the comment section and I will be getting on with them immediately. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Catch up on my other videos, and of course, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Sugar loves you. Bye.